Hands, I can help you.
Hello. Holy shit. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few weeks since I posted a video. As you can see, I got the bike in the middle of the house because it's been so cold out recently that I haven't been able to ride. I know the Starks can sit outside in the cold, but I figured it'd be smarter just to bring it inside. Good news though, today is about 45 degrees, so we'll be able to go out and get some riding in. I haven't rode in like a month, so it's gonna feel a little weird at first. I feel like I definitely might be a little rusty, but it is what it is. I'm about to toss the bike on the charger right now. I'm pretty sure it's on like 80%, so we'll get it fully charged, and then we'll go outside, hop on the bike. I got a ton of different things that I want to talk to you guys today about. Alright guys, let's make our way towards the downtown. I want to tell you about a few things that I've done recently, like catch you guys up on where I've been and stuff. So the last like 2 weeks, it's literally been like 10 degrees and colder, so I literally cannot ride at all. We do have a couple indoor tracks here, but even there, it's like they don't have heat on, so it's just as cold almost as outside in a way. Just minus the wind. I'm hoping the battery still gets decent range out here in the cold. Let's cut through back here. Still some snow on the ground. Ooh, that's so harsh. The creek's frozen still. I thought it was gonna be so much warmer than it actually is. Yep, you guys already know this thing's falling off as always. Yeah, this thing's fun. You can hit this little thing right here and then gap it over into the street. Yes sir. I like the color of that truck with those wheels. That looks good. Absolutely cooks. My hands are freezing. All right, second time we're doing this now on a busy street. So much trash. Why? Oh, I'm in neutral. I actually want to go back here, see if there's anything different since the last time I've been out here. This is gonna take forever. We were over here a real long time ago. Looks like the same old, same old. I wish there was like, there actually is a little trail back there. Huh. I think this just goes to the train tracks. Yeah. Look at how deep this well is. Oh shit, I almost dropped the Stark in it. Someone was doing donuts out here. Oh, my mouth is like actually numb. And last week I just got my wisdom teeth taken out too, so it does, this does not feel good. Come on. A little quarter pipe. It's like actual ice back here. This spot is so cool though. It's peaceful out here. Alright, let's keep it moving. That guy gave me the death stare. Ah, what do you know? Nothing new. See how this is from this way? I always hit it like from the side usually. It's not bad. Ooh, ran over a drain. Holy shit. Hey buddy, hi.
You gotta stop.
Hi.
He's gotta greet everybody.
That's funny.
Okay, you're done.
Have a great day. I hate riding on this bridge. It actually might fall any day. It looks like someone's been riding their quad through all this. What do we got back here? Some tags. Yeah, this is sick. Come back down here. Oh. Alright, let's make our way back. I think I might get some... Oh, I don't know why I thought I wasn't gonna make it through that. I almost feel like I should get some like Jimmy John's or something. I'm gonna pull up at this neighborhood. This neighborhood is so rich, it's insane. You'll see some of these cribs. Yeah, look at these houses. They're just mega mansions. What's going on, man? How you doing? Yeah, like what, dude? These have to be millions for sure. These ditches are so nice. This one you can't go too fast though, because you really will overjump it. Woo! Here's a little jump right here. See if they got Apple Pay though.
Jimmy John's, I can help you.
Hello, could I get a Slim 5 please?
Slim 5, alright.
And then do you guys do Apple Pay?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, sounds good.
$6.50, you can pull up the window.
Thank you. That's clutch. I need to get an SUV eventually, so I can pull the bike. She's all dirty right now. What's going on, man?
Hey,
how you doing?
$6.50. You got
Okay.
list?
No, I don't.
$6.50 to the total.
Okay, sounds good. There you are. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. This is about to smack.
Good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thanks.
Can't go wrong with some JJs. You guys are probably like, why the hell did you get a Slim 5? Because I'm a plain guy. I just like plain stuff. Hello. Let's see how this bad boy looks. Okay, okay. Not too bad. This is gonna be a start of a new era. I'm super excited. Check out this one. This one actually looks pretty valid. Check this one out. This one's bumpy. Got 30% left on the bike. Guys, I'm pretty sure my next video I make, I'll probably do a GoPro settings video. Because a lot of people ask me, what settings do I use? Full throttle, baby! What did we get to right there? I think it said 79, 78. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut through the neighborhoods and go back to the crib. I'm freezing and the bike's on 18%, so. But if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely drop a like. And if you're new here, drop a sub.